Hello, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine. This is your English grammar class, and today I am starting a new lesson, lesson number 17 Do, Does, Did. So, my dear students, open page number 73. This is page number 73, and here lesson number 17 Do, Does, Did. Read the following sentences. Some sentences are given here. First, I do exercise daily. She does her homework. They did well in their examination. In the above sentences, do, does and did are verbs. क्या है? Do, does, did क्या है? Verbs हैं. We use do, does to show present action and did for the past action. हम do और does को do and does present action के लिए यूज करते हैं and did past के लिए. ये past action के लिए यूज करते हैं did. Okay? The uses of do, does, did. Does is used with singular subjects. Does singular subjects के लिए यूज होता है. For example, he, she, it or name any name. Okay, so with singular subjects we use does. And do is used with plural subjects like we, I, you, they. Okay, or more than one people. Did is used with both singular and plural subjects. Now, study the following table to understand the use of does, do and did with various subjects. First, he, she, मोहित and मोहिनी. ये सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, इनके साथ डज यूज होता है. सो ही डज एक्सरसाइज डेली और सी डज एक्सरसाइज डेली. मोहित डज एक्सरसाइज डेली और मोहिनी डज एक्सरसाइज डेली. सो फॉर सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स वी यूज डज. नाउ प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट आई, वी, यू, दे, अमित एंड अनीता. So for plural subject we use do. I do exercise daily. We do exercise daily like this. Amit and Anita do exercise daily. So for plural we use do. Now I, we, you, he, she, they, Mohit, Mohini, this boy. These are singular and plural subject. यहाँ पर both हैं, दोनों हैं. So दोनों के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Did. Okay. I did exercise in the gymnasium yesterday. Or Mohini did exercise in the gymnasium yesterday. Okay? So singular and plural both subject के साथ हम did use करते हैं. Okay? Now next page. This is page number 74. And here main verbs and helping verbs. We use the verbs do, does and did in the following two ways. हम टू तरीके से यूज करते हैं do, does and did का. फर्स्ट एज ए मेन वर्ब. मेन वर्ब के तरीके से यूज करते हैं. सो ही इज डूइंग वेरी वेल एट स्कूल. सो हेयर इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब है एंड डूइंग मेन वर्ब. डू प्लस ING. डू प्लस ING. Okay, so here do is used like a main verb. Number 2, as a helping verb to form negative sentence and questions. जब हमें negative sentence या question बनाने होते हैं then we use does like helping verb. He does not like fish. Here does helping verb है and like main verb. Okay. When we form negative sentence and question, we use does, do and did like a helping verb. Okay? Now, always remember, we can also use do, does and did as a helping verb and as a main verb in the same sentence. Okay? What do you do? here this do is a helping verb and this do is a main verb. So in the same sentence we can use do, does and did. Okay. Now exercise work. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with do, does or did. So we know do is used with plural subject, does is used with singular subject and did for past sentence. Okay. Number 1. C does exercise daily. यहाँ C singular subject है, so does. Okay, so daily है means present है, so does. Number 2. His work in time. So he singular subject, so does. He does his work in time. Number 3. These students their work, homework. So these students means plural. So for plural we use do. These students do their homework. Number 4. Those people no work yesterday. Yesterday means past. So here we use did. Those people did no work yesterday. Number 5. My sister does all the domestic work. My sister singular subject, so does. My sister does all the domestic work. Number 6. I not take eggs in breakfast. So I plural subject है, so do. I do not take eggs in breakfast. Number 7. She not learn her lesson yesterday. She singular subject है, but yesterday past tense, so here we use did. She did not learn her lesson yesterday. Okay, now next page. This is page number 75 and 8th sentence. Many people not drink tea and coffee. Many people यानी plural subject, so use do. Number 9. They always their work in time. So they plural subject, so do. They always do their work in time. Number 10. My homework yesterday in the morning. Yesterday means past, so did. I did my homework yesterday in the morning. Okay. Now exercise B. Tick the correct word in the brackets in each sentence. Sentences are given here. We have to tick the correct word. Means two words दे रखे हैं, do, does, do, did, like this. We have to tick the correct word. Number 1. My younger sister does not like coffee. So here my younger sister means singular subject. So here we use does. So tick that does. My younger sister does not like coffee. Number 2. He does not write well. He singular subject, so use does. Tick the does. He does not write well. Number 3. They do or did not come to school yesterday. Yesterday means past tense, so here we tick did. They did not come to school yesterday. Number 4. We did or does not meet him yesterday. Yesterday means past tense, so here we tick did. We did not meet him yesterday. Now number 5. I do or does not like fast food. So here I plural subject, so for plural we tick do. I do not like fast food. Now number 6. That naughty boy do or does not do his homework. So that naughty boy means only one boy, so does. That naughty boy does not do his homework. Number 7. This girl does do not sing well. So this girl singular subject, so does. This girl does not sing well. Number 8. You do or does not go to office every day. So you means plural subject, so tick do. You do not go to office every day. Number 9. They does not live near my house. So they plural subject, so tick do. They do not live near my house. Number 10. The boy did or does not reply when I asked him. So here did. Because it's past tense, so tick the did. The boy did not reply when I asked him. Okay, so like this you have to tick the correct word. Now next exercise. Exercise C. Look at the pictures carefully and make a sentence each using do, does and did. Okay, so first does. So this girl does not sing well. Okay, now do. These boys, two boys, so these boys do not write properly. And did. This girl did not perform well. Okay, so like this you can make sentence. Okay, now this chapter has finished. Do all the work properly and learn also. Now I am going to stop this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.